Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we have always had our ears to the streets, and we always know who is who and who is buzzing in the industry. And Blvk H3ro is a DJ who is blazing. Welcome, General, to Daytime Live.
Blessings for having me.
Respect,
Big up everybody.
Lovely, lovely. So tell us, where do you hail from and how did you get started in music?
Originally from Waterford, Portmore. Big up Gaza, big up everybody. Music, I think the seed was planted from church. You know, all the way go church. Mommy sending it to Sunday school. Like my father was a deacon, so we were there, and I wasn't really interested in church. So the only thing I could really pay attention to was the music, was to ensure that I'm on the drums. So from then till now, I feel like that was just saved in my hard drive. So now when I'm pursuing this craft of mine, it's like it just unleashed. So yeah, that's where it was started. But yeah.
On a personal note, you are amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Bad,
Like guys,
Yes.
listening to him, fire.
I'm not sure really
exciting.
Waterford.
Hey, can you hear the
Waterford people don't say Waterford, they say Waterford.
No, man, Waterford, man.
A long
Is
time
that
ago,
Waterford?
Waterford, a greater Portmore.
the bougie one.
Yeah, them
The bougie.
them tweaking.
The UPT Portmore people, I love it.
How do you describe your style of DJing though?
Well, it's crazy. Like, I'm a singer as well, you know. So what I do is try to just balance both worlds. I really look up to people like Buju Banton, people like Cartel too, who can toe the line, you know, Michael Jackson, genre bender. So I'm a reggae dancehall artist, you know, but I'm coming with a twist, you know. I listen to Stevie Wonder, I listen to, as I said, MJ, I listen to Anita Baker. So it's gonna come with a soulful energy. And I found out too that once you're able to just, I am the Jamaican music. Well, no matter what rhythm I go on, I should be able to represent the culture. So my music is Jamaican music, straight.
You also, the intellect on this one is turned.
But you hear it in the music.
Okay, so you have a song out now with another rising dancehall star.
Skillabang.
Right?
Straight. And Wayne J as well.
Skillabang and
Skillabang.
And Wayne J. Skillabang. I'm learning. Tell us how did that come about?
Well, me and Wayne J, we've just been hitting the gym, you know, making music, and they've been working. Every release, original, Young Boss have been working so far. Ended up in editorials, just reaching radios across the world. So it's like one day we was walking in our area because we and Skilly in the same area, East, you know, big up East Side, and we're there and we just see him, and then it's just well a reason with him. And him say, yo, I like that boss record, yo, I want to do a remix. I would say, all right, make it happen. Send it to him, and the rest is history. And then now, and over the weekend, every single radio station that is within our culture has played it. So that, to me, the feeling within the camp is like crazy. Yeah. So yeah, big up Skilly for that always.
Yeah,
Wicked.
Nice.
And it shows you where he's at too, because there's not much people who's so hot will take the time off and say, all right, yo, I like this, man, I got to put an energy here. Isn't me?
Love that.
I respect him for that, like, yeah, man.
That's true.
Real deal. All right, General.
Yeah.
Time for the performance. So the
Alright.
stage,
We'll
the
come
stage
back
is your one.
Yeah,
You know.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Ready him up.
Hey, I miss say, hey, I watch I know I miss the rubber skeng. I watch I now, turn it up, yes. I miss a me a DJ, me say la see designer. True, you say the formula, your mama find that is like that the beat I try fight, but I find the proper melody, I know the rhythm like flood. The one you're burning like a apple cider. Me a pro with the tools, with me eye like it hard for the ciphers where I drop like lava, I art. We original, 19 oh long. We a lucky place where some boy a like the gate. Original, 19 oh long. Daytime one like the club, some man a run them shows. Original. And we a do it from 19 oh long. Originate. Original rude boy, yeah. Original. And we a do it from 19 oh long. Originate. You want to hear some lyrics? Alright, watch out. Me say me study all the greats and them for write some proper song. And on my flow like Papa San, I grab the mic like Super Cat. Tell the place a rat-a-tan, them I wonder what I go on. Because every single song we drop is an atomic bomb and a water hose. Yeah, this is the firehouse rock. Big dance, I keep on people all a rock. But no stop, so we won't stop. Yeah, reggae build the wall and dance all make the house rock. And if you don't know King Jammies, you get a big whammy. If you don't know Big Sound, you get a big stone. Cox and Duke Reed, down Orange Street. Hey, you Ryan Big, you do it unique. Original. I say yeah, we are lucky place now. A daytime around the globe. Whoa, oh. I watch you now from original. Go somewhere there, where there. Original. And we are doing from 19 on long. Originate. Original rude boys. Original. And we are doing from 19, oh long. Freestyle. Alright, fire hot like the sun of Kingston. When the sun from Kingston, I show them how it's done. With the talkaphone in me and Michelle in it done. TVJ daytime, they can capture the one. A Blvk H3ro and me a drop them a bomber. I mean the speaky spooky, you can check out for me grammar. A clarity me talk and me words never stammer. I wave in the banner, original. Blessed love, I go by the name Blvk H3ro. And I have to pick up daytime life. Every time you go, no. Oh, we
General, a murder.
Upstairs, blessing.
Hey. Yeah.
Yo, the man
COVID
said,
people,
the
social
man
distance.
said him have the talkaphone in there, man.
Straight.
Nah, Mike.
Him saying watch the grammar.
I'm not really too speaking spoken. What's your grammar? But yo, even one thing I have to say to the people, I'm going to go whole heap of sets. I'm going to go up on whole heap of show and daytime live things, and the people, they really have it. It's a real chemistry. I feel the love is just in the air. I love it. I love that show, yeah. Everything.
Yeah, man. And that good, that feel good coming from you, because you are Alright, let me talk now. Me know enough artists, me talk to enough artists, we've been around enough artists who if I think this is the real deal.
Shut up, I appreciate it. And it's a legend, it's not a game, don't forget that.
It's true.
So, go on through.
Yeah, I want to know, where can we find you on social media?
Alright. Wait, Mellow. Well, I'm on every single platform. We'll make sure so we put ourselves in the places when people are ready for the message and the music, and can find it. So Blvk H3ro is the name, Blvk H3ro. So Blvk H3ro, Blvk H3ro. We just started the show and no time to go. Isn't it? So everywhere, Instagram, you can send a DM, producers, link up. We're ready for do some work in the industry now, isn't it? So
it's beautiful. Really love that song.
I ain't have to worry about, well, most producers have their own studio now still, but if you don't have to worry about studio time and thing, it's not going to take long for voice and thing then.
No, definitely, for sure. No, the work rate and the work ethic is crazy.
Like, when you do some music, because enough project come through, so.
See the people, just daytime
live link up.
Making this happen, alright.
And I'll be there hosting it.
Alright. She'll be in the studio.
Oh, of course.
Bad dancer and everything.
Right?
A bad singer too,
a bad singer, man. She's there, man.
Thank you so much for joining us on the show. You are amazing, and I cannot wait to hear others and more because you fire. I love it.
I can do one lick of everything. Big up my mother, big up Wayne J, big up Waterhouse, big up Jewsland, big up Eastside, big up Waterford, big up everybody. Wayne, big up yourself.
Everybody.
Big up yourself.
Now, guys, on that note,
please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday with a whole heap more buzz, chat, vibe, and
mix. Yes, stay safe, wash your hands, keep your mask on, social distance, everybody. Remember, Corona and keep your distance. See you guys on Friday.
Read him up again, make the man carry out.
Take us out.
With the rhythm, with the rhythm, I me say, me say, so I can't leave without giving them a piece of the actual song. Oh, young G, young boss, new millennium, enough money run. A girl I run, we done that. Touchdown, clouds on the ground, and we are on the ground. So I'm a young G, young boss, millennium, enough money run. Girl I run me down, touchdown. I want a house, I run the ground.